The following video is for the Let's Talk Science Penrose Tessellation activity. In order to do this activity, you will need the tessellation sheets and a pair of scissors. Coloring utensils are optional.
Cut along the diagonal lines until you are left with many rhombuses. Make 2 cuts to separate each rhombus into a kite and a dart. You are now ready to prepare your pattern. There are rules that you are required to follow to ensure you produce an infinite, non-repeating pattern without any gaps. On each kite and dart, there are 2 curved lines. One is lightly shaded and the other is dark. When placing a tile, ensure the light lines and dark lines produce continuous paths with the corresponding lines from other tiles. It is important that each light line and dark line remain unbroken for the tiles to tessellate.